I'm going to tell you how you can get paid all year long just by recording 10 seconds of sound on your phone. Seriously. Let's get moving on to what you're all here for. And stick with me until the end, because the real money in this side hustle isn't in the recording. It's in how you package and tag everything. Miss that part, and you're leaving cash on the table. Here's the deal. You don't need a studio or a fancy mic. You just need the everyday sounds around you and a few minutes with your phone. Filmmakers, game developers, and content creators buy tiny sound clips constantly, and most people don't even know this market exists. That means you're not fighting through a giant crowd. You're early. That alone gives you an advantage. Most beginners mess up right at the start. They record random noise. We're not doing that. We're recording sounds people actually need. Think weather hitting different surfaces, cold starts and idles, seatbelt clicks, switches flipping, drawers sliding, footsteps in grass, water trickling, tools picking up and setting down, mag clicks, holstering, racking, anything clean, intentional, and useful. And here's your first payoff. The more specific your sound, the better it sells. Boots on gravel is fine. Steel toe boots on loose gravel, slow walk, gets licensed a whole lot more. Now, buddy to buddy, recording is the easy part if you keep it simple. Put your phone in airplane mode, hold it steady, and capture a clean 10 to 15 seconds. If it's windy, tuck the mic side of your phone inside a hoodie pocket. It's a quick DIY windscreen that works like a charm. Then listen back. If you hear voices or traffic, redo it. One tiny background voice and the clip gets rejected. Clean is king. Naming your files is where half the money is made. You want your names to match exactly what people search for. Skip the sound, 5 final, this one, WAV nonsense. Use names like truck diesel, cold start morning, boots on, gravel slow walk, or metal door heavy close interior. When your names match search terms, your clips get found. When they get found, they get licensed. It really is that simple. Once you've got a handful of sounds, upload them to places that actually pay. Pond5, Audio Jungle, Envato Elements, SoundSnap, Motion Array, and even Pixabay if you want extra visibility. Once your clip gets approved, it can sell for years. You upload once, and it keeps working for you quietly in the background. Here's your next payoff. The first 10 to 20 uploads feel like the slow part. After that, you've got momentum, and momentum is where the passive income starts to show up. Don't burn yourself out trying to build a giant library. Start with 20 to 30 solid files. Clean, well-named, uploaded. That's plenty to get your first sales. Add a couple new sounds each week and let this side hustle grow naturally without turning it into a full-time job. Most buyers want raw audio they can shape themselves, so you don't have to be a sound engineer. But if you want to polish your clips a bit, open Audacity, trim silence, raise the volume, clean up hiss. Takes maybe 5 minutes. You're not chasing trends. You're not trying to go viral. You're building tiny digital assets that sit in marketplaces where people actually need what you're offering. Low effort, low stress, low competition, real demand, and slow, steady income. That's the Workless Wonders way. Now here's the final payoff I promised. The real secret, the thing that separates the people who make a little from the people who make a lot, is all in your tags and categories. If you skip that part, or do it halfway, half your sounds will never even show up in searches. And if they don't show up, they don't earn. That's money sitting on the floor waiting for someone else to pick it up. I'm not dropping the full tagging system in this video. That deserves its own breakdown. But if you want it, tell me and I'll make it next. So here's what I want you to do today. Record 5 clean sounds. Name them right. Upload them tonight. Do that, and a month from now, you might have a little audio paycheck rolling in while you're living your life.